Subscribe to M.Laskar and click on this bell icon for latest technologies video update. Hello friends, today I made a new video. This video how to buy Redmi Note 5a, Redmi Note 5 and Redmi Note 5 Pro. Buy this offline. Friends, many friends buy this online, but some friend not successfully buy this Redmi 5a and Redmi 5 Pro not successful on Flipkart, flash sale and MI store. Friends, today this tutorial is how to buy and how to find your nearest MI offline store. Friends, let's go. This find your nearest MI store on offline by any mobile. Friends, first download this app. This app name is MI Store. Follow my description and simply download this MI Store and easily tap on MI Store app and open it. Okay. Now find your nearest offline MI store. Friends, yes, this has finded your offline MI store. Friends, just click on this your account section. Simply tap on your account, okay, and scroll down and find this MI authorized store. Simply find this MI authorized storage and easily tap on this MI authorized storage, okay. And now my location is on, automatically show this my nearest offline store. As you can see, this my nearest offline MI storage. This MI storage name, timetable and phone number, and directly tap on and phone your contact this offline MI storage. Friends, now manually select your country and select your city. Simply tap on select state or city and find your state. That's my example. My find your West Bengal state. My West Bengal, tap on this, and my city is Kolkata. Simply tap on this. Now as you can see, this wall, this offline storage, this so simply tap on this, choose your nearest MI storage and directly call your MI storage and buy this Redmi Note 5 and Redmi Note 5 Pro. Friends, it is easily buy this Redmi 5a offline store and extra no cost extra charge this MI offline store. Friends, I hope this tutorial is like it, and please like, comment and share, and if you have any problem please comment. I try your problem solve. Thanks for watching and don't forget subscribe my channel.